Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the Eos Shea Better Shaving Cream in Pomegranate Raspberry.
This is not just your ordinary shaving cream. It's the best shaving cream for clean, smooth, and hydrated skin. Stick around as we dive into the details of why this product stands out from the rest. Let's kick things off by introducing the Eos Shea Better Shaving Cream. This shaving cream is a game changer for those looking to elevate their shaving experience.
It's not just about removing hair. It's about achieving silky smooth skin while also nourishing and hydrating it. Now, let's talk about what sets this shaving cream apart from the competition.
The Eos Shea Better Shaving Cream offers a remarkable 24-hour hydration. Thanks to ingredients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and aloe, it not only helps you achieve a close shave but also keeps your skin moisturized long after you're done.
Whether you prefer shaving in the morning or at night, wet or dry, this cream offers a smooth and effortless application. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts, and hello to beautifully smooth skin.
This shaving cream is packed with natural shea butter and oils, making it an eco-friendly choice that keeps your skin feeling hydrated and radiant. The pomegranate raspberry fragrance is a delightful blend of sweet pomegranate, tart raspberries, and watery lotus blossom.
It turns your shaving routine into a sensory experience. Formulated without parabens or phthalate, and gluten-free, it's a clean and safe choice for your skin. Now, let's talk about pricing and options. The Eos Shea Better Shaving Cream is not just effective, it's also budget-friendly. With multiple size options and competitive prices, you can choose what suits you best.
To get the most out of this shaving cream, here's how to use it. Apply a thin layer to your skin. Distribute it evenly. Shave, touch, and smile. It's that easy. In conclusion, the Eos Shea Better Shaving Cream in Pomegranate Raspberry is the best choice for those seeking a clean, hydrating, and smooth shaving experience. Say goodbye to irritation, razor burn, and dry skin. With its delightful fragrance and budget-friendly pricing, it's a must-try product.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique.
If you've tried this shaving cream or have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations.
Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy shaving!